Okay, now let's see try to find the value of x here, right? Now this is a common question. I mean, some years they give this question regarding polygon. Now here you need to know what the this is a symmetrical, this is a symmetrical polygon. That's the thing here, very important thing. Symmetrical mean, you know, when we bend like this way through the, this is the symmetrical line they draw, no, using dash line. This way if you bend, this all angle will be matched, or not only angle, this length also, this length will exactly come to here like that. So this angle will be equal to this one equal to this, like that, corresponding one. So that's why I can mark here 2x, here 5x, so here also should be 5x. That's the idea. Then here 116, definitely that means here also must be 116. That's the idea, right? Now another thing also you need to know, but the when you have pentagon, I mean here 5 sides, no, pentagon, hexagon, like that, you need to know how to find the total of interior angle. Total of interior angle, we learn a formula for that like this, 180 in minus 2. Using this expression we can find total of interior angle, right, for any polygon, right? Here n mean number of side it has, right? Maybe it's a regular polygon or not, doesn't matter. You need to put here what the number of side you have for n, then you can find total of the interior angle. So here if I put here, actually you don't need to show this working, but if someone forgot, that's why I explain here. In here how many sides we have? 1 2 3 4 5. This is a symmetrical line, no? Right? So that's why this is the one side. So 1 2 3 4 5. So here 5 minus 2, so here will be 180 into 3. 5 minus 2, 3, no? So this is will be 540. Or if you remember this is, it's okay, right? Now very easily we can find what the this all angles together add up to 540. So if you write that formula that way, we can find the value of x. So I will write here 2x plus 2x mean 4x, no? 4x plus 5x plus 5x. I will reduce some terms here. This angle plus this angle plus this angle plus here 116 plus 116, right, equal to 540. That should be the then if you solve this, you can find the value of x. Here 4x plus 5x mean 9x, 9x plus 5x mean 14x, right? Here will be 12, 1 plus 2 plus 3, and here 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 232 equal 540, right? The rest I think you know. We can bring this 230 to this side, so here will be 14x equal 540 minus 232, sorry 32, 232. Now here 14x, here when you subtract, find what the value here. Here 8, and here will be 3, no? 3 minus 3 mean 0. Here 5 minus 2 mean 3. Okay, now right here when I bring this plus 232, it become negative, you know that. Then both side divide by 14, right? This divide by 14, so your final answer will be here 308 divided by 14 mean 22. This is the answer for x.